Welcome to Quippy. Let's start with the core workflow every educator uses: create, assign, and review. When you log in, you'll land on the home dashboard. At the top, you'll see three main actions: create a new assessment, assign it to your class, and review student submissions. Think of these as the three steps of your teaching cycle. Let's begin with create. You can build an assessment in seconds. In this prompt box, just describe what you want. Notice the quick setup chips here: pronunciation, repeat after listening, vocabulary, the number of questions, and the CEFR level, currently set to B1. Tap any of these to customize your assessment type. Then hit send. Once you hit send, Quippy generates your assessment and shows you a preview of the quiz. Here, you can see every question exactly as your students will see it: the question text, answer choices, audio, and any images. When you're happy with the assessment, simply press Save. Your quiz is now ready to assign. Once your assessment is ready, head to Assign. This sends it straight to your class. Pick your students, set a deadline, and they'll receive it instantly. Finally, review. This is where you check submissions, see scores, and give feedback. Now, let's look at review in detail. When you open a sent assessment, you'll see a full overview dashboard at the top. Here, you get all the key stats at a glance: total students, how many have submitted, how many you've reviewed, the average score, the assessment mode, for example homework, and the total score, along with the number of questions. Let's explore the Explore page. Explore has two main types of content. The first is quizzes, assessments created and shared by other teachers. The second is role play, interactive speaking activities with AI personas. When you select role play, you'll see three subcategories. First, official, personas created by Quippy itself, professionally designed and ready to go. Second, my institution, content created and shared within your own institution. And third, personal, your own private personas that you've created. Browse through the available activities. Each one shows a topic and setting, like Rainforest Film Base Camp or Science Discovery Center. Then it's simple. Just click on any topic, and you can start talking with the AI persona right away. The character greets your student and leads a natural conversation around that topic.
Hi! We've just found an amazing bird's nest high in the rainforest canopy. Take a careful look at the picture. What do you notice about the bird and its nest? You're right, it's quite large. What characteristics make you say the nest is big?
When the conversation is finished, the student simply ends the call, and Quippy automatically prepares a detailed report on their performance. And if you want to create a new role play, head to the My Role Plays tab. This is where all your personas live. To create a new persona, just tap plus new in the top right. AI characters you've created, each tied to its own topic and setting. For example, Anna, wildlife documentary presenter, discusses one of the world's rarest mammals and why it needs protection. Carlos, birdwatcher, and Dr. Maya, marine biologist, lead other science conversations. Each persona can carry tags like persona or science to keep things organized. Now, let's look at courses. A course is a complete learning program, a structured set of lessons, activities, and assessments organized into one path for your students to follow. To find the courses your school has created, just click Course Library. Here you'll see all available courses ready to use. Finally, the question bank, a powerful way to turn a single paper into a whole library of practice exercises. At the top right, you'll see 3 options: send to class, add manually, and upload and generate. Let's focus on upload and generate. This is the magic button. Take any existing exam paper or document, upload it here, and Quippy automatically generates new questions from it, expanding one paper into many fresh practice items. Prefer to write your own? Use add manually to enter questions one by one, and when you're ready, hit send to class to deliver your new practice set directly to students. And that's Quippy. Create and assign assessments, practice speaking with role-play personas, build your question bank, and create full courses.